Welcome back to Full Course Online. In this lesson, we are going to master relative, absolute, and mixed cell references in Excel. Let's start with relative references. Relative references are the default in Excel. They change automatically when you copy a formula. For example, if cell B2 contains the formula equals A2 times 1.1 and you drag the fill handle down, Excel updates it. The formula becomes equals A3 times 1.1 equals A4 times 1.1, and so on. This makes it very useful when working with lists of numbers. Now, let's look at absolute references. Absolute references stay fixed even when copied. You use the $sign to lock the row and the column. In order to understand absolute reference, we have a tax value of 0.5. In column D, we want to apply this tax rate to each value of column A. Type equal in D2, then multiply A2 with tax rate, which is in cell J10. Press Enter. Now apply the same formula to the cells downward. The other cells have the value of 0 now, because the formula in each is referring to other cells, rather than the tax rate. To fix this issue, we use absolute reference. Put $sign before column and row name in the formula. Now drag it to other cells, and this time in each cell, the reference remains the same. That's all for this lesson on cell references. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Full Course Online.